Long time no see everybody. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Eto, kumusta po kayong lahat? It's long time. Hmm, ano ba yon? So, it's been a long time everybody. Kumusta po kayo? Ngayon lang ako nakapag-live uli kasi lately, hindi ako makapag-live. But today, live po tayo. So, it's not very easy. As per I'm concerned, people, YouTubers, I was diagnosed for cancer. I have a cancer survival. So, it's no good to tell everyone, but hello, vertical mo live mo. Paano yung vertical? Di ba siya naka-vertical? Baguhin ko uli, end ko uli. End ko uli, Emmy. Paano yung ano?